A nail gun is a type of tool used to drive nails into wood or some other kind of material. Large projects that require a lot of joining or framing would take forever with the traditional hammer and nail. A good nail gun not only makes the work go faster, but it also gives you more control over the final product. So if you're looking to buy a new one, then we can help you with some of the best products available on the market. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Bostitch BTFP3KIT is ideal for interior and exterior finishing and trimming project for a variety of crafts like furniture, cabinets, and staircases. It features a 150 max PSI 6.0 gallon tank and 2.6 SCFM delivered 90 PSI pump, which enables long tool runtime with quick recovery. Also, the air compressor offers long life, oil-free, maintenance-free pump for convenient use. It uses a Bostitch high-efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application. Besides, it provides an adjustable depth guide, sets nails to desired depths quickly and conveniently. Moreover, it comes with a tool-free adjustable exhaust, conveniently directing the exhaust away from the user. With a lightweight and compact design, this air compressor is made for portability, without sacrificing high-quality performance. When combined with the brad nailer, straight finish nailer, and crown stapler, you can be confident that your finishing projects are completed with ease. The Stanley TRESSOZ operates as a staple gun for use with materials such as ceiling tile and carpet padding, and also as a brad nailer for use with picture frames and molding. The high-low power feature helps you match the output force for the material, while the anti-jam feature helps prevent jammed staples. Also, the soft grip handle and trigger offer comfort during operation. Besides, it provides anti-jam feature, which helps prevent staples from becoming jammed, and the heavy-duty design provides excellent driving power. Moreover, the flush nose design helps you staple in hard-to-reach areas, and trigger offers comfortable operation. It gives a low brad indicator window for the ability to see when you need to reload. The NuMax S2-11862 features durable and lightweight aluminum construction, an anti-vibration comfort grip, and adjustable depth for multiple applications. It's ideal for decorative trim, chair rail, baseboards, window casing, shoe, and crown molding. Also, it can use two types of fasteners, which are 18-gauge brad nails and 18-gauge 1/4 inch narrow crown staples. Besides, it can accommodate pins ranging from 3/8 of an inch to 2 inch and staples ranging from 1/2 inch to 1/5/8 inch. You can set your compressor to 60 PSI and use your air hoses quick connect fitting to connect your tool. Moreover, it has ergonomically engineered aluminum body, which is durably constructed, resulting in a lightweight tool which is great for use over extended shifts. Other features include a no-mar safety tip to prevent damage to your working surface, a 360-degree adjustable exhaust to direct air away from your face and debris, and a convenient reload indicator so you can see when you're running low on fasteners. The WEN61720 brad nailer effortlessly shoots brads anywhere from 3/4 to 2 inches in size. With a lightweight 3-pound aluminum body and a comfortable rubber grip handle, this tool is the perfect companion for any job site. It comes with a large magazine that carries up to 100 brads, while the quick release design makes jam clearing a breeze. Also, it can quickly rotate the exhaust port a full 360 degrees to control the direction of the outputted air. You can clear jams rapidly without slowing down your work with the quick release latch located on the front of the nailer. Thus, plug in your favorite air compressor and start nailing. Besides, the large magazine carries up to 100 brads, while the quick release design makes jam clearing a breeze. Moreover, the cast aluminum body weighs in at just a mere 3 pounds, limiting the fatigue of the user during long jobs. Another advantage is that you can customize the depth of the fired nails by turning the depth adjustment wheel to meet the needs of the project. The Porter Cable PCC790LA is a battery-powered nail gun which eliminates the need for compressor, hose, or expensive gas cartridges. It comes with a unique motor design that provides consistent firing power into various materials and climate conditions. Also, it features multiple tool-free settings to offer increased productivity and user safety. It comes with a lightweight and optimal center of gravity that provides user comfort in various positions, reducing user fatigue. It also provides multifunctional dual LED lights to light up your workspace and indicate errors. Another advantage is that this nailer features multiple tool-free settings to offer increased productivity and user safety. In at first place among the list of best nail guns, we have the DeWalt DWFP12231. It features a long-life maintenance-free motor to keep from staining the work surface. The magnesium body delivers a lightweight and robust design. It also provides a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper setting of nail heads, along with a tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal. Also, the rear exhaust helps to keep contaminants away from work, and is made to drive 18-gauge nails from 5/8 inch to 2 inch in length, with a sequential style trigger and 100 nail magazine capacity. Besides, it has a removable, non-marring nose tip with on-tool storage, and an integrated rubber grip for improved comfort and anti-slip grip. Moreover, it also has an adjustable belt hook, which allows the tool to be kept near the user. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to our channel to let us know your support. Use the comments section to give us your valuable feedback on how to improve these products, and hit the bell icon for instant notifications.